Hey guys, this is Justin with Dynasty Preppers. Thank you for tuning in. Tonight we're going to go ahead and draw our 500 subscriber giveaway. But first I wanted to thank all of you for your support. I really do appreciate it. Hopefully we keep growing and bringing you some great content, and stay with us for that. Let's go ahead and jump over to the computer and draw our winner. Alright, here we go. So we did have a total of 428 entries, and again the giveaway is going to be for the April 2018 PMP Prep Fire Box from Poor Man's Preparing. So let's go ahead and come up here and have it draw a random winner, and let's see who wins. Alright, looks like we have Jeff. Jeff, you are the winner. I will go ahead and reach out to you via email and let you know. If you don't claim the prize in 48 hours, we will go ahead and redraw again for another winner. Again, thank you guys. I really appreciate you sticking with us through this drawing and supporting us on our YouTube channel, and we got a lot more things coming in the future. So thank you very much. Stay tuned for more giveaways, and we do hope you have a great evening. Thanks, guys.